everybody. This week we're welcoming my husband Kyle. We are going to do some partner yoga, so you can do this with your children or your children can do this together. So today we are going to do the seesaw and the partner airplane, which is different from a singular airplane, which you can do, and we'll do that later on. So first we're going to get in the position for seesaw. So we're a little tall, so we're going to sit with our legs crossed in front of each other. And you simply hold hands. And then you stretch with your partner, so one person's going to lean back and the other person's going to lean forward. And this stretches your body out, your upper torso. And you can do this as many times as you want. Just like that. The next one we're going to do, you guys probably do during times of play. However, this is a really good balancing yoga pose. So one person will extend their legs. And the other person will stand up. So that person needs to put their legs on the hip bone or a little higher. Sometimes with younger children it's easier to do just the upper body. And then you need to connect hands. And then you need to lift yourself up in the air. And this is a really great way to balance yourself. And try and have your children straighten up their legs and work on their balance. And if you're feeling comfortable,